In the world of mathematics, numbers are not just for counting. They are symbols embodying profound truths. The number 108 is a perfect example. It's revered across cultures, philosophies, and sciences, holding a unique place in the fabric of the universe. This mystical number is said to connect us with the sun, the moon, and the very essence of life itself. Number of mathematical significance of 108. In geometry, we often think of a circle as representing completeness, with its 360 degrees symbolizing wholeness. Now, if you take half of that, you're left with 180 degrees. Divide that again, and you have 90 degrees. The angle at which we view the sunrise and sunset, connecting us to the rhythms of day and night. Split this further to 45 degrees, and when you add the digits of 4 and 5, you get 9. Intriguingly, n plus 0 plus 8 equals 9, linking it to numerological concepts of completeness and universal cycles. But the number 108 doesn't just end here. It invites us to look deeper. Number 2, a cosmic connection. The sun, moon, and earth. Consider this. The distance from Earth to the sun is about 108 times the sun's diameter. Remarkably, the distance between Earth and the moon is also around 108 times the moon's diameter. These numbers aren't arbitrary. They reveal an inherent symmetry that ties together Earth, our star, and our satellite in a cosmic dance. It's almost as if the number 108 was written into the blueprint of the universe itself. Number 3, spiritual significance of one. Now let's shift from the scientific to the spiritual realm, where 108 takes on even deeper meanings. Across many Eastern traditions, this number appears in practices designed to connect us with the divine. In Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, 108 is a sacred number used in rituals, prayers, and meditation. The Japamala, or prayer beads, often contains exactly 108 beads, serving as a guide in spiritual practices that reach far back in time. Why 108? Some say it represents the journey from ignorance to enlightenment. The 1 represents unity, 0 the completeness of the spiritual path, and 8, the symbol of infinity, reminds us of the endless nature of the universe. Number 4, 108 in Vedic and yogic philosophy. According to Vedic texts, there are 108 energy lines converging to form the heart chakra, signifying our connection with both the physical and spiritual planes. Many yogic practices recommend repeating mantras or breaths 108 times to align the mind and body with universal energies. Ancient scholars even used 8 to describe the life cycle and rebirth, believing this number represented the journey of the soul. Number 5, the mysteries of 108 in different cultures. In Japan, it's believed that there are 108 earthly temptations a person must overcome to achieve nirvana. Japanese temples often ring their bells 108 times at the end of the year to cleanse each of these desires and usher in a new, purified year. In traditional Chinese martial arts, many forms consist of 108 movements, symbolizing balance, completeness, and harmony within one's life force. The idea is that practicing these forms brings the individual in sync with the natural flow of energy that exists in the universe. Number 6, scientific curiosities and 108. Did you know that the number 108 even appears in atomic theory? In the periodic table, the atomic number of Hassium is 108. Coincidence? Maybe. But it's fascinating to think that a number so revered in spiritual practices also has a place in the world of modern science, bridging ancient wisdom with the atomic structure of matter. Closing thoughts. The number 108, as you can see, is far more than a simple digit. It's an invitation to explore the interconnectedness of all things, from the vast cosmos to the intimate experiences of the human soul. Our ancestors held 108 in reverence, honoring it as a bridge between the seen and unseen, the physical and spiritual. So, next time you encounter this number, whether in a prayer, a pattern, or simply in your thoughts, pause and reflect on the cosmic significance it holds. It's a reminder that we are part of something much greater, woven into a tapestry of harmony and balance that extends far beyond what we can see.